Hello there, welcome to Bear Down Kitchen. My name is Michael Lomo, Executive Chef at the University of Arizona. Today, we're going to be making a few different recipes, and I want to start off with some breakfast items. We're going to be working with Shamrock Farms. You know, they've been a great partner of ours here at the university for many, many years, and we're going to be featuring some of their dairy products today. We're going to be making banana chocolate peanut butter smoothies today using cottage cheese. Cottage cheese has a great resource of protein that's very inexpensive to put inside of your shake or your smoothie. One of the ways that you're able to do that with is blending it up, and you almost goes into nothing and turns into thin air. It's almost like a milkshake when we're all done with it, so it's not really a smoothie anymore. So for the recipe we're going to make today, we're going to be using one banana, and we're just going to peel the banana here. Take the peeling off. We're going to put it in our blender. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now, if you want it to be a little less sweet, you can just put a little less sugar inside of there. Cocoa powder. We're going to put 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder in. So this is going to make it a rich, dark chocolate taste to it all. And then peanut butter. And then we're going to add cottage cheese. So we're going to add about 6 ounces of cottage cheese to our mixture here. A little bit of 2% milk. We've got about 8 ounces of 2% milk here. Roughly about a cup of ice. And what the ice does is it cools all the products down and makes the actual smoothie a little bit thicker and richer feeling. Now, once we get everything on there, we get our lid securely fastened. We are going to turn on our blender here. So now that we have our beautiful chocolate smoothie, we're just going to pour in the glass. See how nice and thick and rich it looks right there. And then, since we're not really making a smoothie, we're making a milkshake. We're just going to put a little bit of whipped cream on here. Have a little fun. Put a little decoration on there. And we have our straw. Look how great that looks right there. But wait, we can do something else with this smoothie that you may have not thought of before. Ever thought about doing a popsicle? You know, the weather will start to get warmer during the summer. We can take this smoothie mixture and we can actually make a popsicle with it. So we have this fun, handy dandy popsicle maker that we're just going to add our sticks inside of here. Now what we're going to do is we're just going to take our smoothie mixture and we're going to pour it right inside. We're going to go ahead and place this into the freezer. But we're going to do a little TV magic here because I happen to have made it earlier today. And we've popped out our popsicles here. But look how great that looks. Now you can put these in a little plastic bag. One of the nice things about this is because it has milk inside and the cottage cheese, it's actually a little bit denser, so you may want to just let this sit out just for a moment, but it won't melt right away like sometimes a fudgicle will, but it does taste just like a fudgicle. Delicious. So there you have it. You can have it not frozen or frozen. What a fun treat to have during the summertime. What a fun treat to have all the time. I'd like to thank Shamrock Foods for their great products that they have for us to use, and bear down.